Peace, beautiful being, and welcome to Collective Light. My name is Charisse, and today I want to offer you an opportunity to really tap into a time of resetting and recharging yourself. A lot of times in yoga and in life, we are told to keep moving, to go from one pose to another, and letting our resting pose only be a closer. And in life, we are taught that rest is only an alternative to what our normal should be, which is always movement. But today I offer you a chance to shift that perspective and make rest your priority. So I invite you to find a place where you can be undisturbed. Today I'm out in nature, really honoring this opportunity to be in silence. And so with that, I would like you to join me in what some would say is the hardest pose in all of yoga, Savasana. And we'll be here for some time. Take as long as you need. And whenever you are ready, you can lay out your mat and come down to lie on your back. Bring your feet as wide as your mat, even wider if you want to take more space. Relax your head all the way down. Bring your arms out and away from your body, palms face the sky. Begin to relax your forehead, your jaw. Relax your shoulders, your arms. Relax your wrists and your fingertips. Relax your upper, mid, and lower back into earth. Relax your glutes, your thighs. Relax your shins, your ankles, and your toes. Relax your entire body and just be here. And if your mind wanders, remember that it's doing what it is meant to. Let it, and then come back to your breath as often as you need. Together, we'll take a deep breath in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. And just be. Just breathe. can stay here longer if it calls to you. Whenever you are ready to release from this pose, begin by creating gentle movements. And come back when you're ready. And bring your hands to your heart center. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. A reminder that movement is okay, but find balance in coming back within. Peace.